In this video, I'm going to be showing you one of my new ideas for our December daily project for this year. So welcome to Scrapping It Up. I am Vanessa Peter, and I've been working on this. I usually try and do a December daily every year, and usually I do them in a 6x8 binder, and it's interactive and full of flips and stuff. And I come up with this idea, and I love it. I love how it came out. I am using the Holiday Life collection from Simple Stories, and we had uh, the sticker book and the 6x8 paper pad, and we just had the element sheets from the collection, and enamel dots, and the journal pieces and the bits and pieces. And this is what I created. So I will be saving my scraps, because I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do this. The month of November, we're going to be prepping for this. And then in December, I will be adding my photos for this. I will come on like once a week, and well, sometimes I may be twice a week. It just all depends. And I'll come on, and I will do my documenting my December memories with you guys. So yay. All right, let me put that aside. Okay, I turned this into this. Yes, this is a sketchbook. It's from Walmart. I will put the link. I've got to get on Amazon and see if there's something just like this, and I will put the link down in the description box. And the description box, if you don't know, is located down below here, and it says more. You just click on that more, and it brings up the description box. And a lot of times, that's where I'll tell what the video is about, give you any links that you need. Yeah, so it's a great resource as well. But yeah, this into this. Beautiful. All right. So here it is. That's the cover. And I just hung some ribbons from this from the rings. And I should have attached my ribbon, but I didn't think about it. So probably when I go put some cardstock on the back and attach my ribbon on the back. I didn't know if we would need the ribbon, so I wasn't thinking too much about that. And now I kind of wished I would have, but I can fix that. So you open it up like this, and I just collaged up the front with some of the journal pieces. So you open it up, and then here is where I will put a photo of us and the year that this December daily is for. Okay. And then I like to have a reflections page and Christmas past in the front of my either in the front or the back, but I do like to do that, because I do like to talk about how Christmases was beforehand, with the kids, and then we're kind of a reflections page, or maybe what I expect for, or would like to hope that will happen in the month of this December. So here is day one. Okay. And what I done is I just placed these here, and then I just cut around it for that. Pretty sweet. Okay. So then we have this flip here and this flip here. And I guess I forgot to decorate the back of that. There's always something, always something. So here is day two. Okay. Now, one good thing that I really like about this album, let's say, we're going to do all the prep work, and then we get to working in our album, and we, let's say day one, we had a lot of photos. We put up our Christmas decorations, and we had a lot of photos. You can add stuff like this to make day one a little bit bigger. If you need more room, you could add a piece, that's a little bit smaller. Okay, and just like that. Oh, it's just beautiful. I love how it came out. So this would be day 3, day 4. So let's say we needed more room. We could add, a couple of these to add a couple more photo spots. Day 5. Here we have a pocket. And I don't have nothing in there yet. But here's a pocket. Okay. Because who doesn't like pockets? And then this flips out. So some more added room. Now I didn't put no more of the days in here because I, didn't want, I will be adding, the day numbers as we go. Okay. But I will be teaching you how to make this. It may not be quite set. Well, let me know in the comments. Would you like it set up just like this, me teach you, or maybe design it just a little bit different? Because I never know if you guys want it, like this. Do you want me to do it just a little bit different? So here, this is here. And see, I can add that. I can take that out. And I can add it here if I want. If I need an extra day here. More room. Oh, this turned out so cute. So cute. Look at that. So then here, I just cut a circle. And we have that. Very cute. And then I just wrote my lines in with a little ruler and my micron pen for the lines. Okay. Then that flips. Here we have a pocket down here. So we can stick photo mats in here or journaling things. And you could do more of these in here if you wanted to. You could put it halfway up on the page if you wanted to. And then you have a flip here. I've been playing around and I use scraps that are left over from like when we make our albums or 12 by 12 pages. I've been playing around. Of course, these here are pretty simple here. These are back, they're upside down here. Dummy me. But very cute. So, you'd have a flip. Here's a flip out. Here's a flip out. And this is just created by using scraps. So then here you have a flip. And I'm really thinking about doing, each time that, I do a spread, is come live, not live, but, do a video recording myself doing this. So that way, if you would like to do something like this, you can. You see cinch projects. Well, what when you don't have a cinch? And they are expensive. You can buy this art book. I think it was like $9 at Walmart. And, you've got your pages here. They're 160 gram. You can ink. You can stencil. You can use your decorative pens. You can use your watercolors. So very versatile. So then this little piece here opens up. These are pieces that I had left over from the Remember collection. Then here I used there's circles from the sticker sheet. And done that. But it's very cute. For somebody who doesn't like to make the albums, you hate doing hinges, you can't get it right, but you love the kind of the flips and the flaps of albums, this is perfect for you. Anybody can do this. Anybody. And you just use up scraps left over. And that's all I've gotten done. But I'm really thinking about coming live and showing you guys, when I do a spread like this, just record myself doing it. And then that way, if you are interested, you could choose and pick whichever ones that you want. I think this would make some beautiful albums. Beautiful albums. All right. Let's continue here. But I just wanted to show you that because it does, it's easy. But yet you have something beautiful. And it doesn't cost very much, you know, 8 to 9 bucks. You find your scraps in your scrap room and make something like this. Okay. So here's just a little tuck pocket. When I cut this, I just stuck it over here. And this is something that you can make for craft fairs. You can make it for gifts because it's, you know, sometimes our mini albums are just got too many flips and flaps. People don't, if they're not a scrapbooker, they don't understand it. So we have a pocket here and a pocket here. And I took pages out. So some of the pages I took out, I was able to create some other elements. Yeah, you can't keep all the pages in it because it gets too bulky. You have to take some out. And so I thought, well, we might as well use them. So then this flips. Here we have a little pocket. Very cute. Then here I just use stickers from the collection. And I left some places, you know, where add photos and then, you know, journaling. Some places I just put paper. That way I can, you know, do up those pages during December. Pretty versatile. So then here I done the circles again, like I showed you in the other book. Then on the back side, I put jingle here. Very cute. And it's really easy to make. You'll have to let me know what you think down in the comments. I'd love to hear what you think about this. And I might have got too many pages too. Who knows? You know, and you can always rip it out. And that's something else about this. Let's say you're making a page and you goofed. Unless you know it's this page, which you still can. Rip it out, start over. Okay, even if it's this page, you could rip this out, and you can kind of recreate that. But yeah, this book is 160 grams. It's 98-pound weight. It is 7 by 10, and it's just perfect. You can, you know, use all kinds of your mediums if you like to do stenciling, stamps. Use your fancy pens that you may have. Here is just a little pocket that tucks, you know, tucks here. I just glued three sides to create that. Here I was put a bunch of the stickers and just kind of cut around it and created that. Then here is where I'm going to talk about how my Christmas went. What would I like to see next year for Christmas? Okay, so I like to do that at the very end. And then a lot of times I pick my best photo and I put it here. And then here I put a little pocket, you know, just in case you have, you know, a letter from Santa that you want to put in here. You can put a letter from Santa, or this can be a letter for your next Christmas that you know, you write yourself and then you look at it next year. Okay. But this is what I've been kind of working on, and I'm really thinking about doing, you know, like I said, doing classes, and then you can pick and choose which layout you want to do, make your own book like this. I do love it where it does have different sized pages, interactive. I love this pocket. I just love this pocket. You know, we could do a slanted pocket in here that would hold, you know, papers. This would make a wonderful travel album. And this is easy, you know, for giving it as a gift. It's easy to understand. Okay. You know, you gift this to a non-scrapbooker, they're pretty much going to be able to know how to navigate the album. You know, we could put a tab here to let them know, you know, this opens up. But I really like it. I'm very anxious to see what you guys think about this because I really like this. I really like it. Now, it's probably going to get bulky on us. once we start adding all our photographs and everything. And I probably did get too many pages in here, but that's okay. It can get bulky if it wants to. That just means more of my memories are captured in here. All right, that is all I have for you. I hope you enjoyed this. Please let me know what you think about this. I love this, and this here is just so beautiful. Easy way of capturing your memories. All right, guys, that's all I have for you. Thanks for hanging out with me. I greatly appreciate it. And hey, we'll be seeing you here just real soon and we'll start working on this. All right, as always, keep scrapping. Bye bye.